That's the Canon 80D. I'm gonna retire this joint. What in the world? And just go with the GoPro. It's the new setup, Hero 7. We'll see what it do. We'll see what it's looking like. I'm about to teach this class. I'm at PNC Fairfax Connection, so this is the advanced class I teach on Thursday.
Good morning. Oh, got the GoPro popping on.
So this is the lab. This is PNC Fairfax. My phone is always ringing. Somebody always calling me. That's what I love about the GoPro. The GoPro, you can get in different shots that you can't get with the big camera and the big tripod. Dope shots through windows, all kind of stuff, man. I recommend having 2 cameras. You gotta have 2 setups, 2 angles. Yeah, it's a class. It's a class. It's a little pricey, but you know, the ROI on it is like priceless. The return on the investment on getting it, you gotta create some content. You gotta have some cool angles. This helps raise your creativity too. Just get you pumped to do some more vlogging and stuff, because I've been kind of laxing a little bit. So, you know, you want to raise your level up. You're trying to 10x everything we're doing. We 10x in our videos, we 10x in our content, we 10x in our output. Maximum effort, maximum action. Get with me. I think it's just more posts, more engagement, more. It's just more. So remember I talked about 10x, I'm talking about maximum actions. So if you're only posting once a week, then you need to post more. If you only engaging in this type of, it's like, I don't know, like you need to be engaging more with your demographic. You need to be engaging more with your competition and seeing what their output is. You need to be more interaction and conversation with other people, and this is how you get the more engagement going. You're building a community around them, and they need to know why this is important, why this is good, why should we be interested in this X, Y, and Z. GoPro 7, I'm gonna wrap it up today. Quick little photo shoot in and out. Definitely kind of dark in the dark areas, but you know, you gotta be facing the light. Facing the light, I guess. That's dope. That's dope, dope. Dope. In and out this photography shoot real quick. Peace.